So I found British Dental Place, Bucharest online. It had a bunch of amazing reviews and user testimonies. Everybody online spoke about the professionalism, and this is my second day here, and I can certainly say the same thing. So with my job, I traveled a lot, and as a result, I sort of neglected the dentistry. I got a checkup in the UK. I had a bunch of issues. My quote was far too high, to be honest. I needed around about 6 or 7 fillings, 2 root canals and 2 crowns. So I reached out to the guys here and they sent me a really reasonable quote. The experience has been excellent. Everything is done to the highest standards. Obviously all white fillings is standard. Everybody is super friendly. In terms of the equipment, it's clearly cutting edge. They have, CAD CAM for the crowns, and it was important to me as a Brit to come here, have a transparent quote for how long I was going to be here, which was 2 to 3 days. And the guys have, done an amazing job turning it around. This could have taken 10 days at another clinic, but it's going to be done in, as I say, 2 or 3 here. So amazing work to the guys.